Assalamualaikum. This is Muhammad Karrar Hussain and you are watching Karrar Hussain YouTube channel. आई एम बैक अगेन विथ अनदर ओपनिंग और ये ओपनिंग है जेनपैक्ट में और ये वर्क फ्रॉम होम है। मैं इस वीडियो में आपके लिए 3 ओपनिंग लेके आया हूँ। एक है कस्टमर सपोर्ट वॉइस और नॉन वॉइस के लिए, दूसरी है रिक्रूटमेंट एग्जीक्यूटिव के लिए और तीसरी है असिस्टेंट मैनेजर के लिए। वीडियो पूरा ज़रूर देखें। मैं इस वीडियो को 3 हाफ्स में डिवाइड कर रहा हूँ। पहले हाफ में हम बात करेंगे कस्टमर सपोर्ट की, दूसरे हाफ में हम बात करेंगे रिक्रूटमेंट एग्जीक्यूटिव की और तीसरे हाफ में हम बात करेंगे असिस्टेंट मैनेजर के रोल की। बिफोर वी स्टार्ट, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं, अभी तक आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब एंड डू लाइक दिस वीडियो सो दैट इट रीचेस द मैक्सिमम कैंडिडेट्स लुकिंग फॉर द जॉब। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो फर्स्ट we'll talk about the customer service role for voice and non-voice. Genpact is hiring for customer service. Location is Hyderabad. Experience required from 0 to 5 years of experience candidate can apply. Location is Hyderabad. Salary, it's not disclosed by the recruiter. We are inviting applications for the role of process associate, customer service, voice and non-voice. We are looking for someone with strong ethic and the ability to work well both independently and within the context of a larger collaborative environment. Self-starting, intellectually curious and creative, individual comfortable operating in a fast-paced, multifaceted environment. Responsibilities provide resolution to maintain standards of quality, recognize trends and patterns and raise issues timely, provide insight to help improve the support to the user, maintain a thorough understanding of process and policies, provide excellent customer service to our customer. Qualification, any graduate can apply, freshers are also eligible. Good communication skills required. Preferred qualification, effective probing skills and analyzing skills, understanding skills, problem solving skills with customer centric approach. Able to work on a flexible schedule including weekend shift work. Note, it's a 24/7 rotational shift. इंटरेस्टेड कैंडिडेट, इसका लिंक है डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, आप जाकर अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। तो हमने अब बात कर ली कस्टमर सर्विस के रोल की। एनी फ्रेशर एनी एक्सपीरियंस कैन अप्लाई। लोकेशन इज़ हैदराबाद। लिंक इज़ गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. So now coming to the next role is for recruitment executive. So Genpact is looking for recruitment executive. Experience required from 6 months to 2 years of experience. Candidate can apply. Location Hyderabad and Delhi and NCR. Salary, it's not disclosed by the recruiter. Roles and responsibilities: screening and shortlisting profiles from job portals, networking site, reference networking and job hunting, finding candidates as per relevant suitability of the job description provided, good understanding of keyword and apply the same while searching resumes, understanding the requirements as regards the job profile and specification listed by the organization, effectively using the personal network, build up the database, digital platforms and referral for reaching passive prospective candidates, evaluate candidate skills, understanding of different technologies and key responsibilities area, schedule in-person rounds of interview, telephonic rounds of interview, get the technical tests done and maintain coordination until candidates are hired, maintain professional relationship with all stakeholder, operations manager, HR managers, team members, candidates, etc. Working with hiring managers time and again to ensure the timelines of sourcing are met, identifying new methods with the approach of for sourcing of candidate and generating new leads, conducting preliminary interviews, telephonic interviews and shortlisting candidates, continuous efforts to ensure the talent pool data is updated timely, desired candidate profile, self-motivated, pragmatic, analytical bent of mind, strong coordination skills, must be enthusiastic and initiator, learning agility, go-getter attitude, preferred language to communicate English, excellent written and verbal skill required, should be able to work with minimum supervision, able to handle pressure and good at multiple tasking. Transparency in coordination with team and supervisor. Note, minimum 6 months of recruitment experience is mandatory. This will be contract based role. This will be work from home. इंटरेस्टेड कैंडिडेट, यहाँ पर इसको अप्लाई करने के लिए आपको ज्वाइन करना पड़ेगा जूम आईडी. जूम आईडी इज़ गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. रिक्रूटमेंट के लिए, रिक्रूटमेंट एग्जीक्यूटिव के लिए लोकेशन है हैदराबाद और बैंगलोर, हैदराबाद और चेन्नई. और मिनिमम 6 मंथ का एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए। इसको कैसे अप्लाई करना है, इसका एक जूम, इसका वर्चुअल इंटरव्यू है और जूम ID इज़ गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, आप जाकर अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। नाउ कमिंग टू द थर्ड रोल, असिस्टेंट मैनेजर। So experience required from 4 years to 8 years of experience required. Location is Bangalore. Salary from 8 lakh rupees to 10 lakh rupees per annum. Roles and responsibilities. We are inviting application for the role of assistant manager, spend analytics. Shift timings 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. Work location is Bangalore. Responsibilities in this role, you will be responsible to perform the following: clean spend data and facilitate data management in database, analyze spend data and provide detailed and meaningful understanding of spend cost base, create and manage spend categorization rules with relevant client department stakeholders for creating business rules, identify key reporting requirements for various business department categories, develop spend report standard and ad hoc, and prepare dashboards, perform spend cube analysis as per requirement category function, region wise analysis of the spend data, perform saving and cost avoiding analysis, write macros and automate manual repetitive work, coordinate between client stakeholders and spend analytics platform providers to resolve technical issue with stringent target deadlines, work as a spend analysis SME for client stakeholders, resolve queries with analytical insight. Qualification: any graduate can apply. Minimum qualification: university graduate in any discipline, should have good experience of spend analytics, Power BI, Ariba, Advanced Excel, should possess a strong numerical skills, should have strong knowledge of category taxonomies, UNSPSC, must have strong communication skill, should have understanding of end-to-end sourcing and procurement processes. Preferred qualification: prior experience of working on Rosalind Rapid platform is highly preferred. Postgraduate degree MBA or PGDM is preferred. Any graduate can apply. Preferably to have knowledge of data extraction tools application, sourcing specific certification like CPM, SPSM is a plus. Should possesses good interpersonal skills and must be a great teammate. Interested candidate link is given in the description box. हमने 3 जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन अभी डिस्कस किया है। पहला था कस्टमर सर्विस, इसका लिंक अप्लाई करने का है डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में। सेकेंड वाला था रिक्रूटमेंट एग्जीक्यूटिव, इसका है जूम ID गिवन है इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स। थर्ड वाला असिस्टेंट मैनेजर का, इसका लिंक इज गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स। इंटरेस्टेड कैंडिडेट प्लीज़ गो एंड अप्लाई एंड प्लीज़ डू शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स who are actually in need of job, and you can also support me by subscribing my channel, क्योंकि मैं जो भी जॉब शेयर करता हूँ सारे वेरीफाइड होते हैं और फ्री होते हैं। And you can also join my Telegram channel. Compared to YouTube, I share more jobs on Telegram. Thank you. Best of luck.